A suburban Chicago man who says he has always wanted to know what it is like to smash through a garage door now knows the feeling. 91-year-old Walter Thomas of Woodstock was able to slam an SUV through a garage door with his family's help. The garage was slated to be torn down, so Thomas's action was of no consequence. The SUV was donated. It was then up to Thomas to back it through the garage door and check that activity off his bucket list. Thomas described what he did this way: "I hit the gas, squealed the tires, and bang, we went through the door." Thomas says he doesn't know what he could do to top that.
It was thrilling to get to do it after all these years, which I never thought would ever happen.